Hi viewers, welcome to Interesting Chemistry. In today's session, we are going to see the important concept of chemistry and interesting also, that is mole concept. For counting of articles, the commonly used units are pair, dozen, grass, etc. Pair we will use for two things, that is shoes, scissors. For these and all we will use pair. Dozen means for fruits, 12 apples, 12 oranges. Grass means it is equal to 144. For pencils we can use grass. But chemists to count the atoms, ions, molecules. Atoms, ions, molecules. Chemists used the unit called mole. Mole means heap or pile, many things together. Pair means 2, dozen, 12, grass, 144. But mole means it is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 particles called mole. Here only 2 particles are called pair. Dozen particles means 12 particles are there, that is called dozen. 144 and so on. 144 particles are there, we will call it as grass. 6.023 into 10 power 23 means many particle, heap of particle, pile of particle, that is called 1 mole. Already we have known 1 gram of hydrogen atoms contain 6.023 into 10 power 23. It cannot be counted because it is a very large number. It cannot be counted. Instead of that, 1 gram of hydrogen if we take, that will be having 6.023 into 10 power 23 hydrogen atoms. The difference between the other units which is used for counting objects like dozen, grass and mole. The main difference is dozen, imagine we have bought dozen apples from 2 shops. 2 different shops we have collected. 2 different shops we have collected dozen of apples. In one shop, the size of the apple is like this. You just imagine dozen apples, 12 apples. In one more shop, shop number 1, shop number 2, we have collected dozen of apples, 12 apples we have collected. The mass of the apples won't be same. Mass won't be same. Mass depends on the size of the apples. So, mass of 1 dozen of any substance won't be constant. Won't be constant, it will be different value. But mass of 6.023 into 10 power 23 particles of a specific substance. Particles of a specific substance. Specific substance means it may be atoms or molecules or ions, will be constant. That is the main thing here in mole. 1 mole of any specific substance will be constant. For example, mass of 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms of hydrogen will be equal to 1 gram. From whichever source you collect hydrogen, from here, from near your place you would have collected, or from different places you would have collected 1 gram of hydrogen, it will be having 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms of hydrogen. That is equal to its gram atomic mass. As we have already known that 1 gram, that is equal to its gram atomic mass, that is equal to gram atoms. Mass of 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of hydrogen, that will be equal to 2 gram, constant. It won't be changed from wherever you have collected hydrogen molecule. Mass of 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of hydrogen mass will be equal to 2 gram. It is constant. It won't be changed. That is gram molecular mass of hydrogen. Molecular mass of hydrogen, that is equal to gram molecules. One more name you can give here, that is molar mass of hydrogen. Molar mass of hydrogen. Molar mass means the mass of the substance which contain 1 mole of the particle. If it is here molecule, 1 mole of molecule. If it is here atom, 1 mole of atoms. Let us see one more example, oxygen atoms. Mass of 1 oxygen atom. 1 oxygen atom equal to 16 AMU. 1 oxygen atom, so 16 AMU. Mass of atomic mass of 1 oxygen equal to 16 AMU. Gram atomic mass of oxygen equal to 16 gram. AMU means atomic mass of 1 oxygen or mass of 1 oxygen atom equal to 16 AMU. Gram atomic mass of oxygen equal to oxygen, here gram atomic mass, so 16 gram. This gram atomic mass of oxygen contain 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms of oxygen weight equal to 16 gram. One more way, gram atoms of oxygen. Gram atoms of oxygen equal to 16 gram. Just now we have seen one more way, molar mass of oxygen equal to 16 oxygen atom equal to 16 gram. Why molar mass of oxygen atom equal to 16 gram? Mass of 1 mole of oxygen atoms. That's why we call it as molar mass. That is equal to 16 gram. Why 1 mole of oxygen atom? 16 grams contain 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms of oxygen. That's why we call it as molar mass. Mass of 1 mole of oxygen atoms 16 gram. Let us take oxygen molecule. Mass of 1 molecule of oxygen. 1 molecule means O2, atom means O. So, mass of 1 molecule of oxygen 32 AMU. Gram molecular mass of oxygen. Here we have used gram molecular. Gram atomic means 16. Gram molecular mass of oxygen equal to 32 gram. We can call it as molar mass also. Molar mass of oxygen equal to 32 gram. Why we call it as molar mass? 32 gram of oxygen contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of oxygen. So, mass of 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of oxygen equal to 32 gram. So, it is called molar mass. It contains 1 mole of substance. So, it is called molar mass. One more thing we should be clear in mole concept. 1 mole of any substance will be having different moles of elements present in it. For example, we will take 1 mole of CaCO3, calcium carbonate. In 1 mole of CaCO3, number of moles of Ca equal to 1. Only 1 mole of Ca. Number of moles of carbon atoms equal to 1. Number of moles of oxygen atoms. How many oxygen atoms here? 3. In 1 mole of calcium carbonate, 3 moles of oxygen atoms are there. So, total number of moles of atoms equal to total number of moles of atoms equal to 5. I think you would have understood what is mole. In the next session, we will see the calculation related with mole and formulas also. Thank you.